Guys, make sure to stay until the end. We'll talk about common mistakes people make that can cost you thousands of dollars in repair diagnostics that you may actually not even need. So let's explain what it is. Hey guys, welcome back to World Mechanics. Super quick and helpful video for any of you trying to find the AC compressor, guys. AC compressor clutch fuses, relays on Jeep Cherokee. We're talking, guys, let us show you about that generation right here from year 2014 to year 2023. Now, guys, quick update. If you need to buy any replacement parts, tools, AC compressor, refrigerant, we're going to share the information in the description of the video below. Check it out. You can see where you can get them from. In addition, guys, that's where we get most of our tools and supplies from if you want to check it out. So let's go ahead and start on it now. Before we start, guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos, guys. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, bodywork, engine codes, transmission codes, fuses, relays. Why we do that, guys? All that because our mission in the garage is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video. That way we can keep making these free videos, guys. Check out our YouTube channels. That's where, guys, you can find more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in free repair. So let's go ahead and start on it now. The AC compressor, clutch, fuses, relays, let's demonstrate on that Jeep Cherokee, that generation Jeep Cherokee, where you can find them. Now, guys, quick advice. Most owners do not know about all the hidden fuse boxes in that Jeep Cherokee, guys. That's why we made one special video on our YouTube channel that's called Jeep Cherokee fuse box location and diagram. What we guys need to do first, we need to open the hood, and lucky for us, we'll be working a fuse box that's easy to get to. That's the engine, right? That's the engine. On the right side of the engine is the main engine fuse box. That's the driver's side of the Jeep Cherokee. Press these tabs together, lift that cover up, and you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we guys continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. Guys, it's very important to always test your fuses and relays. Why? Sometimes you may think you have a good fuse, guys. It's hard to tell. Look at those fuses, right? And sometimes, okay, you pull the fuse. Okay, I'm going to get the fuse puller and I'm going to remove one fuse. I want to show you on that 20 amp fuse. Sometimes it's very unclear if that fuse is burned or not. You may not clearly see it. So always, guys, test them, because if you don't test the fuse, you assume it's good. You end up spending money, time, and diagnostics for problems that do not exist, guys. So you can just waste your money and time. Always test your fuses, always test relays. We will put links in the description of the video below where you can find, guys, a video for testing a fuse and testing a relay that will explain everything that you need to do. Now, guys, here, what we need to check. Let's talk about that now. For the AC compressor clutch, do you see these fuses right here? Make sure to stand to the end. We want to clarify something. You see these fuses here? We need to check, guys, fuse number 20. That's the main AC compressor clutch fuse right here. Fuse number 20, that 10 amp fuse. Relays, you don't have a specific, guys, okay, relay for that, but you will need to check your climate control fuses too. There will be multiple fuses that you may need to check, because those can actually cause the AC compressor not to work too. The main fuse that we showed you 20 is for the AC clutch, but if you have problem with the climate control system, it will not work too. And the relay function practically is controlled by the BCM, the body control module, and the engine computer on your Jeep Cherokee. Guys, quick advice, this Jeep Cherokee uses all kinds of fuses and relays. We want to show you the different fuses. Those are special fuses right here. You have mega fuses, you have micro 3-blade fuses, you have little mini cartridge fuses, maxi cartridge fuses. Guys, those are super hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you may have a hard time finding a replacement one, and you may end up being stuck in the middle of nowhere. So buy some, keep some spare ones in the glove box for peace of mind. We're going to share the information in the description of the video below where you can get fuses, relays at a really good price. That's where we get all our tools and supplies from, guys. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. If we have time and resources, we'll try to make video for your problem, guys. Thank you for watching. See you next time.